Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Ramos Gin Fizz. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host Jason. The Ramos Gin Fizz was invented in 1888 by Henry Charles Ramos at the Imperial Cabinet Saloon in New Orleans and has tormented bartenders for over 130 years since. The drink is meant to have a large foamy head, which takes a lot of shaking to achieve. So much, in fact, that as the drink got more popular, Ramos would employ a chain of shaker men that could take turns shaking the drink for up to 15 minutes. The recipe was kept a secret for many years, but in 1919, when Prohibition began, Ramos declared, "I've sold my last gin fizz," and published the recipe in the New Orleans Item Tribune. After Prohibition, Ramos sold the rights to the drink to the Roosevelt Hotel, where you can still enjoy it today. I love this drink so much, but I will only order at a bar that has it on the menu, or after maybe had a bit of friendly back and forth with the bartender and ask if they're willing to make one. It's for this reason I've avoided making this drink before on the channel. I'm gonna go for it today. Most bartenders will only shake their fizzes for 30 to 60 seconds now, as anything more doesn't make enough of a difference to be worth the effort. That's what we're gonna try today, guys. Besides requiring a lot of shaking time, this drink also uses a ton of ingredients, as you can probably see here. So for this drink, we're going to use a dry shaker that has no ice. I'll explain more of that in a second. We're going to use a ½ ounce of lemon juice, a ½ ounce of lime juice, 2 ounces of gin. We're going to use our botanist gin for this one. We love this on the channel here. Two ounces of our gin. We're going to use a ½ ounce of heavy cream. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. This is one of the few times, I've said it before, I don't mind using store-bought simple syrup. It tastes the same to me. Then we're going to use a first for the channel. I had to get this bottle fresh. Orange blossom water. Now the recipe calls for 3 drops. This does not have a dropper lid on it, so I'm going to use a little less than a bar spoon. So it's about 3 drops perfectly right there. Egg white. That's the whole point of the dry shake, is to get this egg white to foam up nicely. Go back and forth a little bit here. That actually was one of the better ones I've done so far. I'm happy with that one. I'll save that for later. Now begins the shaking. Probably want to do a time lapse on this one. Here we go. We are already foaming up, so I'm going to call that good. We'll need about 15 seconds or so of dry shaking. Now we're going to wet shake. We add ice to our shaker. And now is our longer of the 2 shakes, as if that wasn't enough last time. And away we go. All right, hopefully that little timer she probably put right about here shows I got at least 30 seconds in. That was the goal. So we can go ahead and pour this into our glass. Should strain that into our glass, sorry. So we want that foam to start to harden a little bit. It doesn't get hard, just get a little tougher. In the meantime, we're going to add a little bit of our mineral water or club soda in here. Get the rest of that foam off the inside of the glass or the shaker. Go ahead and add that in there. We'll give this a second, let it sit. All right, that should start to have set a little bit. I'm going to make a little bit of a hole right in the middle and add more of our mineral water. You can see it continues to rise, overflowing a little bit, but I am getting that nice head that I wanted to get. As long as it goes over the top of the glass, you pretty much accomplished your goal. Yeah, the longer it sits, the more it continues to rise. For a garnish, the wife cut me a cute little orange peel garnish. Should complement well with the orange blossom water. And the test to see if you got a good head on your Ramos Gin Fizz is the straw test. If you can put a straw right in the middle and it doesn't fall over, haha, it worked. Guys, this is one of my absolute favorite drinks. I'm gonna let this keep sitting for a minute. That's enough, I'm gonna go for it. Guys, cheers. I hope you like this drink as much as I do. Oh, absolutely fantastic. Just a hint of orange in there from that orange blossom water. It's such a fantastic drink. Whether it's a hangover cure, a hot weather drink, a cold weather drink, I don't care. I can drink these all day, guys. Go ahead, if you're not afraid, make yourself one of these. I think you're gonna be happy you did. Or if you are a little afraid, don't want to try making it yet, find a good cocktail bar, order one there. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Yeah.